Okay, nature. Kiss at the bond begins. I feel beauty and the joy forever. And this now will be said of the huge treasury. I suppose I will do the feel on nature has brought to the world, inspiring us it has. Same of the finest wines from a wide range of waters among those rich in voucher. In this section are William words for Christina Rossetti, Matthew and Rob, John Keats, Emily Dixon, Leigh William Shakespeare, and John Clare. Okay. The prelude, if I'm saying that right. One summer evening, led by her, I found a little boat tied to a willow tree, live in a rocky hill, as unusual home. Straight I loosed her chain, and stepping, pushed from the shore. It was an echo sleep and trouble pressure, nor without the voice of the mountain echoes in my boat. Move on, leaving behind her still on either side. Small circles glittering in the moon until they melted all into one track. Oh, sparkling light! I dip my oars into the silent lake, and as I rose upon the stroke, my boat went heavy through the water like a swan. And from behind that craggy sea till then, the horizon's bound a huge peak. Black and huge, as the faulty power instinct appeared its head. I struck and struck again, and growing still in stature, the grim shade tore up between me and the stars. And still for to assume a purpose of his own, and measure moments like a living thing strode after me. Okay, the wind hover. To Christ the war, I caught this morning's mission kingdom of daylight's death and dapple dawn. Drawn falcon in his riding of the ruin of underneath and steady air and striding. High there how he run upon the rain of the whipping rain. In his ecstasy, and then off far swing, as the skate's heel sweeps the smooth on a bow band of her and the guiding wrap filled the big way my heart and hiding. Stare for birds I achieve a mastery of the fame. Brute beauty of valor and air pride, plumb her buckle and the fire that breaks from a billion tides told lover more dangerous Oh, my cheaper. No wonder of it. Sheer ponder, it's found down zillion. Shot and whoopee embers. Oh, my dear. All gal themselves in cash gold and around. Song of Haifawa, if I'm saying that right, and it's Hiawatha. At the door on the summer evenings, sound the little Haifawa. Heard the whispering of the pine trees, heard the lapping of the water, sound of music, words of wonder. My Hiawatha, said the pine trees. My wall, Aska, said the water. Sound of firefly, wah-wah-tees, filtering through the dusk of the evening. The tinkle of the candle, way up the brakes and bushes. And he sang the song for children, sang the song of milkman has taught him. Okay, hello. I am in my room, but if you notice something a little different in my room, comment down below, and I am also going to room tour whenever everything's done. But I decided to give you a sneak peek. The song of Hiawatha. At the door on summer evenings sat the little Hiawatha. Heard the whispering of pine trees, heard the lapping of the water, sound of music, words of wonder. Many walla, said the pine trees, far away on the sky. Said the water, said the firefly, wah-wah-tasty. Filling through the dusk of the evening, with the twinkle of this candle, light a break and bushes, and he sang and sung. Our children sang and almost taught him. Wow, was his little firefly, little fighting ray of fire inside. Little dancing white fire creature like me with your little candle. Here upon my bed I lay me, ere I sleep in my eyelids. And then ending mine. Pin up you tears of joy, forever its loveliness. Increase will never pass into nothingness, but still will keep a power quick for us, and sleep full of a sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. Therefore on every morrow our wavering and fiery band, to bend all us to her, to the earth, spire this winds of the abundant earth, and noble nations of gloomy days. I've all done healthy and over dark ways, before such a yes in spite of all, some shape of beauty moves away the power from Arctic spirits, such as sun, the moon. Trees old and young, sprouting a shaboom. First it was sheep, and such are at the folds, with the green world they live in, and clear rules that for themselves a cool breath make against the hot season, the mid-forest break. Rich and sparkling, of fair moss rose blues, and such too is the grandeur of the dunes. We have a mountain for the mighty dead, all lovely tales that we have heard or read, an endless fountain of mineral strength, pouring unto us from heaven's brink. What does the bee do? What does the bee do? What does the bee do? Bring home honey. And what does the father do? Bring home money. And what does the mother do? We earn the money. And what does the baby do? Eat up the honey. Okay, daffodils. I wander lonely as a cloud that floats on high over the boughs and hills. One year off once I saw was a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, besides the lake beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Conditions, as the stars that shine, twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretch in a never-ending line. Along the margin of a bay, 10,000 so I saw at a glance, tossing their heads and spring dance. The waves beside don't dance, but they all did the sparkling. Amazing glee, a poet cannot be, he be gay. In such a drunken company, I gaze and gaze, but little thought what will show to me have brought. For of when on my coach I lie, in bed or in the pensive mood they flash upon, that inward eye wishes the bliss assaulted, then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Dover Beach. The sea is calm tonight, the tide is full, the moonlit fair upon the straits. On the French coast the light gleams and is gone, the cliffs of England sand, glimmering and fast, out in the tranquil bay. Come to the window, seated the night air, only for the long line of spray, where the sea meets the moon, where land. Listen, you'll hear the granting roar of pebbles which the waves draw back and filling at the return up a high strand. Began and season, then again began with troubles against. So it breathes the eternal, no sadness in. And there goes one dirt. to autumn. Season of mist and mellow fruitfulness, hospital, boss and friend of the mountain sun, conspiring with him how to wield and bless with the fruit the vines around the branch. He's run to bed with apples and the Moses cottage trees and fill the fruit with ripeness to the core, to swell the corn and home in the hazel shells with sweet cornel to say Betty more. And still more waiting flowers for the bees until they feed one days will never cease. And for summer has over, brimmed it their coming selves, who have not seen the offer of him in my store. Sometimes whoever seeks a boy that may found the steering colors on a green leaf for the hair soft glittered by one in the wind, or on half repaired furrow and sound asleep, shroud the future poppies while they walk, spares in a suave and all. Twine flowers, sometimes like a queen or down too steep, studied aloud and held across a brook, or by the cider press with a patient book. Down where I watched the last oozing, hours by hours, where the songs of spring are what are they? In autumn has by music too, and touched the stove of lands of rosy hue. Then a wistful choir the smoke can dance more among the river solo, borne aloft or sneaking as the white wind lifts or dies, and full grown foams loud well beat from hilly bourne. Hedge crickets song sing, and now a treble saw, the red breast whistle from a garden croft, and gathering swallows tweet over the skies. A slash of blue, a slash of blue, a sweep of gray, sun scarlet patches on the way, composed in the evening sky, a little purple slip between. So ruby true roses hurry on, a wave of gold, a bank of day. The stars makes out the morning sky. To a fish, you stretch your modest looking angle face, truly below the gasping wedges of the sea, coping to water, everlasting gleam. Cold-blooded with red, your blood will be grace, and you do flowers in the roaring waste, and you all shapes besides the fishy bee. Some round, some flat, some won't on delivery, focus and loving, effortlessly chased. Oh, scaly or slippery, wet, sick, starry waits. What is it we do? What life is led, and little goose. How do you vary your foul days and nights? How past your Sundays are you simple jokes and ceaseless and wash? Still not, but gapes and bites and shrinks. Stares deliver us with boogles. It was a lover and his lass. It was a lover and his lass, with hay and hoe, and a hay no me no. Then over the green cornfield in the pass, in the springtime, the only pretty rain time. What birds do we sing? Ding a ding, ding, sweet lovers the spring. Between the acres of the rye, with hay and hoe and a hay Nino. These pretty country folks in will lie in the springtime, during the people rain time, when the birds do sing hey, ding, a ding, ding. Sweet lovers of the spring, this girl could be in that hour, with a hay and a hoe and hey, Nino. How did the light was but a flower, in the springtime, the only pretty rain time. What birds do you sing? Hey, ding-a ding ding. Sleigh lovers love the spring, and therefore take the present time with hay and a hoe and hey, Nino. For lovers crowded with pride, in springtime, the only pretty rain time, when the birds do sing, hey, ding, a ding, ding, sweet lovers of spring. A fall. The snow is gone from cottage tops. The fresh moss glows in the brighter green, and eyes quick sessions drop with the grinning ideas. Once have been painting we up, pleasant notes into set by cottage door, and ducks and geese, we happy joys. Goose in the yard, on brimming over the sun, peeks through the window pane, with social mirth, we laughing eye, and then the west street, still again, to tell each other spring and night, and as long as you hope, the pasture cross and the plain grass will often draw. Building besides the sunny walls, their spring play, also sticks for straw. The Lincolnshire poacher. When I was born, appearance in the famous Lincolnshire. Oh, why would I serve my master for more than 7 years? Till I took up approaching, as you still quickly hear. Oh, it's my delight on a shiny night, the session of the year. And as me in my competition, and we're setting off a snare, 'twas and wheezed by gamekeeper. For him we did not care. Therefore when we could wrestle and fly, my boys and jump out anywhere. Oh, this is my delight on a shiny night, in the season of the year. As me and my competitions were setting 4 or 5, and taking it on up again, we got a hair life. We took a hair life, my boys, and for the ones to steer. Oh, this my delight on a shiny night, the season of the year. I threw him on my shoulder, and then we started home. We took him to my neighbor's house and sold him for a crown. We sold him for a crown, my boys. But I did not tell you where. Oh, this is my delight on a shiny night in the season of the year. Success to every gentleman that lives in Lincolnshire. Success to every poacher that wants to sell a hare. Bad luck to every gamekeeper that will not sell his deer. Oh, this is my delight. Oh, this is my delight on a shiny night in the season of the year. To a mouse. We sweet growing timorous bestie. I wanna panic in my bestie. Don't need no straw or so hasty. We became battle. I will be out to red and I chase thee. We muttering paddle on Chewy Simon's domain has broken nature's social union and justifies that ill opinion which makes thee startle. I mean that poorer born competition and fellow mortal. I do out now whilst but that may thief. When their poor bestie down man live, Indian wicker Mara, as my request, I'll get busting with the lava. I never missed it. There used to be housey too in a room, and so it was the Windsor staring. And nothing now it to be new and offer on screen. And white December winds and the ocean base now on the can. The south of years later at the west, and there weary winter contain coming vest and oozy here beneath the west. Dove throughout the dwell to crash the crew. Quarter past out as they sow. That was bit of holly accessible. Has cost them on a weary nibble. Never poured out for a very far trouble. While homes were hauled to the winter's sleepy dribble at Connor's cod, but most you that were on the lane. Improving foresight may be vague. The best laid schemes of minds and men gain off exactly and leave us not by grief and pain. For promised joy, still do the best compared with me. The present only touched deep, ouch. On backward casting my unprotected tree, and forward though I cannot see. I guess any fear. My garden. A garden it was something I want. Roost pot, sprinkle pool, friend ground to better school. A piece and apple contains that God is not God in garden. When Eve is cool, not but I have sin sign. This sure God walks in mine. Addershrew. Yes, I remember Addershrew. The name because of one afternoon, this fresh train drew up there, and for a waffly it was late. Jew. To steal someone cleared his throat. No one left and no one came on the bare platform. What I saw was an Addershrew, only the name, and willow herb, and grass and meadow sweet, a high hawk shrine. No weed less than a lonely fair than the high clouds in the sky, and a minute the blackbird song goes by. Round him, Mr. Father and octopus of Oxfordshire and Gloucestershire. Of Fiend's Bright and Beauty. Oh boy. Oh, Fiend's bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful. No word can make them all. Each little flower that opens. Each little bird that sings. God made her glowing colors and made her tiny wings. The purple-headed mountain, the river running by, the sunset and the morning, the breeze of the sky, the cold air in the winter, the pleasant summer sun, the ripe fruits in the garden. God made them everyone. God gave us eyes to see them, and lips that we might tell how great is God Almighty, who has made all things well. I knew some of them were repeat, but I just am only doing that today. Okay. A little bit later, we're going through weathers and seasons. I'm just going to take a little bit of break. I might be in a different outfit later on.